Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the tools you need, the official Windows 10 ISO, and a clean USB drive of at least 8 GB. Use Rufus or the Media Creation tool so the drive becomes bootable. That choice affects options and speed. Make sure the ISO matches the edition and architecture you need. Once done, plug the USB into a reliable USB 3.0 port and run the chosen tool as administrator, because elevated access writes the bootloader and partitions correctly. Now you execute the core steps in the Creation tool. Pick the Windows 10 ISO, then choose Partition Scheme, MBR for older BIOS systems or GPT for modern UEFI. Select File System, FAT32 for compatibility or NTFS when single files exceed 4 GB. Confirm volume label, check that target is the correct USB, and begin writing. The tool will format and copy files, then install the bootloader. Wait until it reports completion, because interrupting can corrupt the drive. To finish, plug the USB into the target machine and set it as the first boot device in BIOS or UEFI. Save and restart. The Windows installer will load, follow prompts, select Custom Install if you need to reformat or create partitions, and proceed. If setup won't start, check BIOS boot order and USB mode, UEFI versus legacy. If problems persist, remake the USB with the alternate tool, verify the ISO checksum, or try a different USB port or stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.